Hey, welcome to our planning series. We're going to start at the first place where to actually start. I found myself planning a new plan and don't know where to go. When I start with analyzing last year, get totally lost, starting with the company's big strategy and what channels can make it work. Didn't find a way, but here at Spinning Grow, we might have a different idea on how to do it. I'm here with Dan, and he will explain us where should we start. So Dan.
Right. So I would say that the best place to start is with your end target, which 23 should probably be revenue. And what I'm saying is instead of looking into channels like the last year's performance or anything like that, which is the more natural move for marketers to just see what happened and say, okay, let's double down on that or on this. You should go ahead and start by actually gathering the data that you need to actually build a good plan. And by gathering the data, I mean getting the targets from your CEO, understanding where the company wants to be at by the end of 2023, and then working your way up from there. So you build milestones along the way that allow you to basically reach your targets and to also have very clear proxies and very clear milestones along the way that show you whether you're on track or off track. The idea of marketing planning should start from looking at the actual impact that marketing generates in the company. And only then you should go ahead and work on the actual marketing mix, what you should invest in and what not, what gives you the best results historically, and what you should double down on in the next year. And if you do it correctly, it becomes fairly easy because the hard part is actually justifying what you choose, understanding your strategy and being able to explain it in terms of revenue and showing how marketing connects to revenue, especially in 2023. Obviously, in 2022 was insane in that way. And marketers no longer are able to just say, we're doing our thing and trust us. And so at this point in time, it's super important that you really think about marketing from a revenue point of view. Efficiency became super important, and the ability to actually generate the target that you're asked to generate with a minimal budget. So there are a lot of challenges, and this is also why you should really look at the data and the targets and work up from there instead of just looking at what happened before, which may be super irrelevant for 2023 both ways. So just to clarify, we don't know what's going to happen in 2023, but it could change in many different directions. So we can have a very bad year where marketing budgets keep getting slashed and efficiency becomes even more important and it's super hard to reach your targets, or the market can go back to normal and growth at any cost could be back on the table, meaning you'll get more budgets. So the plan itself, or maybe more accurately, the mix of channels that you use and the investments that you make is going to change across the year a lot, just like it changed throughout 2022. The only thing that is going to be constant is probably your targets. And that's why you should stick to looking at the targets, understanding what you need to generate every month and whether you're on track or off track, and then reiterate on your plan accordingly. And that's why the most important piece of the puzzle would be to build a revenue model and understand what you need to generate instead of actual channels that you want to invest in. That's my point of view, and I guess like our point of view here.
So basically, start with your target, then go back through your proxy metrics and get your budgets.
Yeah, I can show the revenue model that we've built and I explain how it works, how it splits your budget. And I think it would be clear if we do that.
Let's do it.